Alright guys, welcome to another Instant Pot recipe. So what I have here is this are pork chops. I'm going to be, they were on sale, so that's why I picked them up. As you can see, it's only $6, $100 each, so that's actually a good deal. So I got corn, kidney beans, chickpeas, and some cauliflower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put it all in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to cook it all together, seasoned of course, with some herbs, and then I'm going to do a quick taste test for you. So it's actually a quick meal that you can actually make. And actually, I'll actually put rice in there as well to make it nice and hearty in a way. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. All right. So as you can see, I put the rice in there, got the carrots in. So I'm gonna put this directly right in there, seasoned. I'm gonna put the beans. I'm gonna put the corn, some cauliflower in there as well, and it's gonna cook all together, guys. So it's gonna be like a nice stew in a way. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all in there, seasoned. So I'm going to add the corn, and then I'm going to add the beans on top, and then we're good to go. So all you do is hit the rice button, and then we wait for it to cook. The meat's going to be super tender, so I'll be right back, and I'll do a quick taste test for you once it's all done. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's all full of goodies now. So basically all we do is we just wait now. So we're gonna push the button, and what button would I push? I could actually push this with a couple of them. I could use bean chili or rice. I'm gonna probably go with rice, because I know the fact that everything is pretty much all cooked up in there. So we just need enough heat to cook the pork. So you could also use poultry. So. But I'm gonna hit maybe chili. I don't know. I'll decide later. But most likely the rice. Okay. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So here it is, all done up. So check it out. You get the rice. It smells awesome, actually. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test for you. So here is the chickpeas. Here's the corn. So try it out. It's awesome. It's got a taste of the corn. It's got the taste of the herbs that are in there. You got this, like I said, it's almost like a stew, and it cooked up in about, I would say, about 20 minutes. I used the poultry button, actually, to cook it up. So the only difference is the timer and how high the heat goes. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.